Hello guys, in this video today I would like to show you how to work with the milestone in the software development plan. We are using the Microsoft project to handle it. Okay, so you can see here we have the a timeline. So now you can see currently I'm viewing it with the touch sheet mode here, and you are able to switch it to the current chart here. Okay. So now when you scroll down here, you can see we have some stats in this timeline which have the duration is 0 day. It means here this one is a milestone in the project timeline. And scroll down here we have another thing is milestone 2, milestone 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so here we have some way to manage the milestone in the project. You click on the view here. We have a filter feature. In the filter feature, it allows you to filter and just display in only the milestone in the project timeline. Okay, so I will do it. Clicking on the drop down list here, and you can see under the built-in feature we have a option is milestones. I go ahead to click on this one. Yeah. So after that, when I select the milestone in the filter option, you can see here, for now it only displaying the milestone of this timeline with the duration is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So currently in this project timeline, I have 12 milestone. Okay. You make it smaller and scroll to the right. Yeah, you can see here for now we only display the milestone as well in the timeline here. Okay, so here if you click on this one to hide the that, so the timeline the milestone in the timeline will also hidden too. The same thing here. Okay, so now I want to manage the milestone in the project timeline. In case for example, in this project timeline, I have a lot of tasks here. So when we finish this one, so I don't want it displaying on anymore. So I just want to hide it by clicking on expand collapse icon here to make it hidden. Okay, so but I still want to see the milestone in this project, and how can I see it in an easy way? Okay, so you can see here on the menu here under the view we have an option in timeline checkbox here. You go ahead to click on the checkbox. It will display the timeline of the project here. So now I click on the first timeline. I right click on this and select the option add to timeline. Yeah. After that, it will automatically display the milestone in the project timeline on the top. So now when you scroll high this one, so you still see this on the timeline. That means you no need to expand or collapse or anything under the project timeline task. So you just take a look into the timeline in the chart here. It will be quicker for you to find any milestone in the project timeline. Okay, so you can do the same thing with other. You click on this one, add to timeline, year, timeline to Yeah. So you can add multiple project timeline in the timeline section here, and you are able to view it very quickly by display the timeline section in the project here. In case you don't want to see it anymore, you just click on this checkbox, uncheck this to hide. Okay, cool. So now when you click on this one and checking here, you switch to another restart to default. Okay, and do the filter for the milestone. The same. Okay, so I hope in this video today, after you finish this one, you know how to manage the milestone in your project timeline, and you know how to manage the project timeline very and check it very quickly in the project. And hope that help. And let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye. Talk to you later in another video.